The Gold Machine, a revolutionary placer gold recovery system. Developed in British Columbia, Canada. Extensively tested in placer properties throughout North America. Old technology, but unique in design and operation. The Gold Machine is the only self-contained system designed to wash, sort, and separate the raw material prior to sluicing. This means much higher levels of recovery and productivity, with retention of gold from 300 mesh fine up to nugget sizes of 1 inch or larger. The Gold Machine is totally portable. It can be set up and operating in a matter of hours. Water use is minimal, lessening any environmental impact. And it's been designed to accommodate a wide variety of placer conditions with minimum expense. The Gold Machine consists of 2 open-ended drums, one inside the other. Both drums are rotating in the same direction, but independently. When operating, the hopper end of the Gold Machine is set above the tailings output end at a slope of 1 inch per foot. Raw materials are fed into the specially designed hopper, either through a conveyor system or a conventional excavator or loader. The hopper accommodates over 12 cubic yards of material at one time. The space-age plastic impact sheets are strong enough to resist the pounding of the rocks and gravel, and slick enough to move the materials down the slope towards the drums. All the areas of impact or high wear on the Gold Machine are easily changed, contributing to a long and productive operating life. The rotation of the inner drum can be reversed each season to extend the life of the components. High-pressure water washes the raw material into the grizzly, the first separation stage. Long metal fingers allow most 4-inch minus material to pass through to the rotating drums, while larger boulders, rocks, and lighter materials are removed from the process. The 4-inch minus material enters the first stage of the inner drum. It's sprayed with high-pressure water and thoroughly scrubbed by numerous paddles to assist the separation process. The material passes on to the second stage of the inner drum, where first a 1/2 inch and then a 1 inch punched plate wall screens the washed material. 1 inch minus material passes into the outer drum, while the larger 1 inch plus material is carried downslope into the third section of the inner drum. Inch plus nuggets and other heavies are trapped, while the other large tailings are carried out of the machine. Gold can be recovered from the nugget trap during cleanup at the end of each shift. 1 inch minus material falls into the slower rotating outer drum, where the lighter material is washed downslope and discharged as middling tailings. No nuggets or fine gold gets trapped at the lower end of the outer barrel because the reverse spiral metal ribbing assures that the outer barrel is self-cleaning. All inch minus nuggets and other heavies, together with finer gold and flour gold, move up towards the upper end of the outer drum. The reverse spiral ribbing, welded to the inside surface of the drum, moves the material up the slope where there is continuous roll-off into the transverse recovery section. The transverse recovery section channels all the heavies into a traditional sluice box. The first section is a stilling plate with a slope of 1/4 inch per foot. Most of the 1/4 inch minus gold is caught in special nomad matting in the first section of the sluice, immediately after the stilling plate. Gold from 1/4 to 1 inch bypasses these first 2 sections and is deposited on a second stilling plate. Another section of nomad matting is used to trap this gold. Recovery of the gold is easy. It can be done at the end of a shift or at any time during. There's no need to shut down the Gold Machine. Just momentarily interrupt the feed of raw material and turn off the water valve for the main sluice. First, remove the locks. Remove the expanded metal screen, and then lift out the nomad matting. The matting is placed in a 5-gallon pail of water, turned inside out, and given a few quick shakes to release all gold particles. Return the matting to the sluice and lock back down, turn the water back on, and you're ready to continue operating. All that remains to recover the gold is approximately 20 to 30 minutes of traditional hand panning, or less if mechanical methods are used. A gold machine is unique in that it utilizes a minimum amount of water in processing raw material. The environmental impact is lessened and the need for major settling ponds is reduced. The gold machine is also self-cleaning, allowing continual use on a 12-hour or production day basis. A simple hose down at the end of the day will complete your cleanup operation. The most exciting aspect of the gold machine is that the cost of the machine can usually be recovered in the first portion of an operating season by producing significantly greater yields of placer gold. The gold machine, a unique design using proven technology. Portable, efficient, affordable, environmentally friendly. A breakthrough in placer gold recovery.